If you've been using 11 Labs for voice cloning, pause. Gemini now lets you create a personal AI avatar that looks and sounds like you. Let me show you how.
That wasn't me. Well, technically that was me, but that was my AI avatar created with Google Gemini. In this video, I'm breaking down the complete process for you. By the time you finish watching, you should understand how to create your own personal AI avatar, one that looks like you, speaks like you, using a version of your own voice. AI avatars have so many useful applications. You can use them to create promotional videos, lifestyle content, podcast videos, tutorials, product demos, social media content, and even personalized messages. But now you can now let them look like you and move more realistically, and that changes the game. One problem I've noticed with many avatar platforms is that the voices often sound very similar, you must agree. When you watch a video, several AI characters, you may notice that they all have recycled voices immediately. And it's so difficult to actually know who exactly is talking. So with a personal avatar, your content can retain more of your own identity and your personality. Let me show you how I created mine. Before we begin, there are a few things you need to know. You must be at least 18 years old, signed into a personal Google account, and the avatar feature must be available on your account and in your region. So it's not automatic. At the time I'm recording this tutorial, personal avatars are supported in English and availability may vary by location. You may also need an eligible Google AI plan to generate videos with your personal avatar. Plans usage limit. I'm gonna be using my phone for this process because the avatar recording option is available inside the Google Gemini on your mobile browser. Head over to your browser and type googlegemini.com/likeness. Then you get to this page. It will ask you to take a selfie video. Tap start to begin and let it access your phone. Allow it to visit your camera and then it will start. Make sure you position your face correctly so that it can take the correct one. And then it will give you some numbers to read. You will
84,
read them one after the other in your
85,
voice. Ensure that there's no one in the
28,
background and you are in a very clear, well lit place.
56,
Read all the numbers loudly.
13,
It's possible use a mic
24,
so that way you have the correct numbers in your voice. Once it's done, it will ask you to turn your face to the left, to the right, and to the left several times so that it can capture your full likeness. So follow all the prompts so that it can get everything correctly. It will take a moment to save all your information and your avatar will be ready. This is very important. Remember, only create an avatar of yourself. Don't attempt to record another person without their knowledge and permission. Now that our avatar is ready and saved on our platform, Gemini provides an important instruction. Use your avatar by typing at me, like I said, written as a symbol, followed by the word me inside your prompt. So now let me show you exactly how to use it to generate your first
The scene that
video.
you want to generate. I already have a prompt that I want to use ready, so I just need to copy it. You're inside Flow AI, paste your prompt and click on the Agent Plus button at the bottom. Add your avatar to the prompt. And then if you already have a scene that you want to use, add it so that it knows exactly the scene it's going to generate. Select the correct number of seconds you want to generate. This is 8 seconds. The actual dimension, portrait, or if you want it to be vertical. And then you click generate. And let's wait for it to generate. The video is now ready. Let's play and listen to it. There you have it, the full breakdown to help you get started. Don't forget to save this video. And that was perfect. All you need to do is come to the top right corner and click on the download button and get it downloaded. Repeat the process for all your images and you'll be able to generate as many avatars speaking like you as possible. You can download everything and piece it together inside CapCut. Do not forget that your face and your voice are personal to you. Always review Google's avatar and privacy settings so you understand how your recordings are handled. When publishing your avatar content, be transparent when necessary and avoid using the technology to mislead people. If you created your personal Gemini avatar, tell me in the comment section how accurately it captured your face and voice.
There you have it, the full breakdown to help you get started. Don't forget to save this video, share it with a creator who needs it, and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.